SummerSlam.
So, in about 30 minutes, we're gonna come up on Nada Tunnel. Greg, tell us about Nada Tunnel.
All right, so Nada Tunnel was built in 1911, and the first time it got used was in 1912 was to bring logs through, because that part of Kentucky was like, they carved through the mountain, and that was the sawmill capital of the country at the time.
Wow.
And so the first rail car that went through got stuck with the logs on it, and they had to blast it through. And that's what I read on the internet.
I hope y'all enjoyed the Nada Tunnel. It's pretty neat, isn't it? We are right now in what I would call a rally jam, also known as a trail blockage. This is what happens when you have a really hard obstacle that requires some spotting or possible winching. And a few folks get backed up, and when you've got a high number of vehicles traveling through small secluded trails, you're going to have a little bit of a backup. So this is what happens when you're in the back of the pack and you come up on hard obstacles. So you don't see many more of these. We stayed in the front of the pack pretty much the rest of the rally, so there's not too much of this left, but this was a definite slowdown for us as we were approaching some pretty good time on day one.
Probably another month.
You'll be climbing.
Ooh,
Almost.
very nice.
No, we want you to go the other way.
Oh, he's got it. Done. Oh, he got stuck.
We've been working on and off on it, and I think that's
Grass it. Pivot it. Don't go backwards.
Keep coming.
Keep coming. Passenger. Yep. There you go. Come on. Come on. Yeah.
Trust it.
There you go. You're good. Yeah. Nice and easy. No, it doesn't. Great job. Great work. Great work. There you go. You're good. All right, straddle it. Straighten it out. Straighten it out. There you go. A little passenger. A little passenger.
Makes your stomach hurt, doesn't it?
There you go. You're good now. You're off of it. You're off of it. Straighten her out. Straighten her.
You got your toilet paper right on the dash, so you're all right.
Good job. Good job. Great work.
So obviously we've been like ramping
Don't turn yet. Don't turn yet. Okay, turn. Okay. Come on with it. Carry that line. Carry that line. Come on, come on. That speed, that speed, that speed. Come on. That speed. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. You're okay. Carry that line. Stay right there.
I'm out here in my element. Going to drive. Worry about getting DUI, get off the trail. There you go. There you go. Little passenger, little passenger. Turn to passenger. There you go. My bad. I thought it might work. They're just pushing these things off, aren't they? That's dangerous as fuck. Got it. You're gonna fall off. You gotta go off. Go passenger, yep, yep. You gotta turn into it. You're good. You got nowhere else to go.
You're gonna ride the rock straight down.
You're good. There you go, perfect.
Nice.
Well done. Well, good adaptation. Nice work. Love when I see people just do smart shit. You're gonna do it again.
Are you gonna come?
There it goes. Yep. Got one more drop down right here, and you're in. You're good.
Slide and ride.
Turn and burn, brother. Turn and burn.
Awesome driving.
Well done, man. Well done. Woo. Well, that was fun. Now it's time to head back up the hill and get with our rigs and our team, let them know what we saw, and get ready to tackle this obstacle ourselves. Nice little run here of all the cool rigs. You'll see Jake Parsons coming down here soon. There he goes. He's going down there to start spotting for us. He got down there, started spotting, and let me tell y'all, the cars started moving through there so quick once he got down there. So super appreciative of him, of getting this line moving quickly. And yeah, let's get ready to hit it.
Sounds like you just rocked up a big hill.
I'm a little buzzed. I can't count this on the booze yet. That's a big hill, y'all. You're gonna own this, Jeff. It'll be so easy for our team.
We'll do it.
We know the line now. Everybody's just
Who's gonna
scared.
be the spotter?
Jake's already down. It's a party, boys!
LJ, how do you
It's called
feel,
a trail taxi. What's up?
how do you feel about that little Tacoma that looks pretty stuck?
He's gonna have some body damage after this.
Yeah?
Yeah. You're gonna hit sliders and you're gonna get all off camber.
Keep coming this way. Keep coming high. Keep coming driver. 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 It's gonna feel weird, but keep coming driver. Keep coming. Okay, now faster. I kept dropping everybody off that edge earlier. Just carry it out right here. Hug this wall. When you get a little more to the right, there you go. Carry that line like that. So 3 more feet and then start coming back. And then just carry a little momentum. A little bit of momentum. All right! Go passenger. Go passenger now. Passenger. There you go. Go. Get down a little bit. Let me rock you. Give you a little gas.
There it is. It's coming. There you go.
Just like that. Keep coming straight. Keep coming straight. Okay? Now all passenger get gas.
Slow, slow.
A little bit more. Okay, stop. All passenger. Take it slow right there. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Just trying to get this back tire to life, okay? Keep coming. Okay, little beans, little beans, little beans. Little more beans. All right. Little passenger.
All right, let me get the hell out of the way and just carry this line, hug this wall.
Turn. All I see is your bumper. Who needs a snorkel?
This type of trailer is what I
It does. It does feel like a little West Trail. I've never really had to put it in first going downhill. Like second gear is kind of the perfect downhill gear.
You can definitely feel fucking heavy.
Yeah.
I mean,
It's 6,000 pounds without all the shit on it. Dylan. We added at least 500 to 1,000 in go armor.
Yeah.
And then 10 gear. We're probably 8, 9K. Just eating.
It's funny the shit I've seen her slow down.
She doesn't like mud. That ends the trails for day one. Follow us on over to camp. Check it out. All right, day one done. Bill, how's she handle?
Man, she's good. Look at it.
A little muddy?
Look at it.
A little muddy?
But the important thing is, these are only from recent, after the mud experiences. There's no dents.
It actually, there wasn't much like pinstripe type stuff out there. Actually, it was pretty clear trails. Honestly,
I tried to avoid it the best I could.
we dropped on this bad boy pretty hard. I was actually a little nervous, but it looks mint.
For the
It's held up
record, I was
good.
not nervous at all.
Well, Billy didn't
This
install
is
it.
also not my vehicle. There's that.
She's in her element now. She was a little chatty to begin with, but
Yeah.
she calmed down.
We talked it out.
We had some conversations with her.
We talked it out.
She did well.
She
What's this
did
at?
probably clean out this fender well just a little here and there.
It's all right.
It tucked and grabbed a little, but that's
Everything's
okay.
looking good.
I mean, look at it. There might be a few new places to hit the rattle can under here. Look, we got some.
Oh, look at that skid plate. You got a little mud on it. Day one. It's done. We got Nick over here. He's checkpointing. He joined us for camp tonight. We got Jake right here in the 80 series. My Hyundai's right here. We got a Tacoma we've adopted into the group. As our 7th driver. Got Sir William Goes right there. Mr. Jake Parsons counting his money.
Making it rain. Sprinkle. That's not raining. It's sprinkling. This motherfucker's straight
It was a little
sprinkling.
pre-rain, really.
Oh, they're a crip. We got Randall and his JKU. He lost the sway bar link today. There's actually supposed to be a piece of metal that goes from here to there. He doesn't have that anymore. He lost it. We can't find it. And so now, whenever they go around corners, it feels real funny on the inside of that Jeep. We got Lila. That's not Lila, that's Kaylee, but this is Lila's car. We got Sheldon's GX. Just working it today. Got Jeff's 80. He's been leading us today. Got us here right on time at the end. Good driving. We got Nick's Frontier here. Jake's. Jake, what do you got up here? What do you got up here? What is this?
In my attic?
Yeah, what's going on in here, dude?
Let me see what I got.
Look at Jake's attic up here.
I got some attic. I got an extra intake tube because the one I put on may be sketched. This one has some electrical tape on it. It'll be fine. I got a tow strap, dry bag, some tortillas, some paper.
Where'd you find this guy? At a restaurant?
Girl came over to my house with it in the bed of her truck, and I said, "What are you doing with that?" And then I got it. I got another one that'll probably fit yours if you want it.
Ooh, maybe.
It's a little bit wider. It's like probably 6 inches wider. It's just sitting on my shelf. You bring my high lift jack handle, you bring it,
We'll do a swap.
and I'll switcheroo.
Deal.
Okay.
When I go to Knoxville again, I'll tell you
I
when
got
I'm
actual
coming through.
manners. So earlier today, I was making sure there were no banana stickers or the Chiquita stickers on there, but then I was totally dropping these behind us like Mario Kart. Got him! So we'll see.
So anybody behind us just saw banana
Anybody saw
peels.
bananas? Yeah, that was me.
So excited.
That's great.
Don't worry, I didn't let her.
This is camp for night one, y'all.
Yeah.
Good stuff. This is Team Bananas for scale. It's bananas. Just so everybody knows, it's recommended to have a team of 2 to 3 vehicles per team. We've got 7. They just.
You like that it says Rally Barbecue?
Yep.
Face up.
So that about wraps up day 1. Here's a little bit of B-roll from camp, and then I'm going to leave y'all with a little trail repair late night session here with Jake.
You guys just doing CV axle replacement? Yeah.
We did.
We're just doing an alignment. Just
Alignment out here, little woods alignment.
Trail side alignment.
right.
Thanks,
y'all-
man.
Yeah, dude.
Did y'all bring an extra with you?
Yeah, we did.
Nice, nice.
Do you like these H3s?
Oh, I love them. Okay.
I
Haven't
follow
you
that-
seen it performing?
No.
Just do it.
We were way ahead of you, so I didn't have an opportunity.
Look out in your rear view mirror sometime. Yeah. It'll help you.
I had to get back at him from earlier with the shit talking. Come on, like. I had to. I'm still here. But yeah,
You were saying about H3s.
yeah. I follow the guy, that guy that did the Ultimate Adventure that's got one that's like crazy.
Yeah.
Does this one have the 5-cylinder or whatever?
No. He's a
He's
V8.
a
He's an
8?
Alpha.
You're doing great, Jake. Just do better.
I mean, you can do better.
Just do better.
Video.
Here you go. Okay.
These boys just did work today,
Hey.
so we can do work 2 more
I'll
days.
do this. You're on that. I'll do it.
Cool story. These guys pulled me out of a mud hole last year. What goes around comes around.
That's
Karma's
true.
a beauty.